Hello everyone, how are you doing today? I'm back with another video, and in today's video we have an HP Elitebook 745 model. And in this video I'm going to take you step by step how to replace the keyboard if in case your keyboard is not working or some keys are working, so you can replace the whole keyboard with a new one, or if you spilled some water on top. Alright, so first thing first, you need to power off the laptop. Once the power is completely off, you want to flip it upside down so you can see the bottom side of the laptop, and you need one tool only, or maybe two tools. You need a tweezers, flathead tweezers, and a screwdriver set. I use the UFIXTEK tool set as they have the best bits out there, which are S2 class steel. We are going to be using a Phillips number 1 from this tool set. Also, you will need a opening tool. For the opening tool, you can get the Pro version, which includes you an opening tool, which I'll leave the link in the description, or you simply can be cheap like me and grab yourself a guitar pick. The guitar picks are really tough and soft edges. They are the same thing that they use on opening tools. To remove the service cover on the bottom, you have to pull these triggers all the way to the left and make sure you hear that click. And then you want to slide the bottom cover towards the front end of the laptop about 0.5 centimeters, as much as you can. Just right there. It has a little bump right on it. And then you want to lift it up. Once you did that, to remove the battery, you want to pull these triggers to the left on lock position. This trigger here is broken, so I'm going to use a tweezers to stick it right there and bring it all the way to the bottom. And then I'm going to use this flip right here and pull the battery upward. So remove the battery. Now, for the keyboard, actually they have a label that right here with an arrow. So this Phillips screw right here, just want to loosen it up. It has a little spring to it. So you see when the spring is like all loose, there's one right over here. All right, once you have these two done, pretty much you are halfway through. Now you want to open it up. You want to grab yourself a guitar pick or opening tool. You want to stick it between the top and the keyboard right there. And you just want to twist it. Go all around in the top part only. And then you grab it from the middle. So you give this kind of curvature. And then lift it up. Don't yank it up unless you want to replace it. Then bring it up, stick it in this position, cross. To remove this flex cable here, you have to lift up this white cover 90 degrees upward. So use your fingernail, stick it underneath and lift it up 90 degrees. So once it's up 90 degrees, you can slide out the flex cable. The backlight cable right here, same thing. Lift up the cover, slide it out. The trackpad, same thing, lift it up. And that's your keyboard. And if you want the model number for this one, from HP spare part number, it's 762758-161. So that's the part number for this one. If you want to get it off market, you can get with the model version 142026. I'll try to get some links for this one. I'll leave the link in the description. Once you have the new keyboard in, you want to leave it again in the same position. First, go ahead and plug in this cable right here. Slide out right underneath, and then you want to lock it down. Go ahead to do the same thing first for the backlight. Stick it right underneath and lock it down. And now the last one should be this big cable. Open it up. You want to slide it down in a 45-degree angle because of this earlobe that it has on the sides. It has a tiny earlobe, so you want to stick it in 45 degrees and set it down. So bring it down inside the jack in 45-degree angle, all the way down, inside, and then lock it down. And the last thing is to just bring it over in this position. Stick the bottom end of the keyboard underneath the palm rest, and then squeeze the corners all the way down in the middle, right there. And now what you need to do is close it down, flip it upside down, and then tighten up the screws for the keyboard. You don't need to tighten up too hard. Grab the battery, slide the bottom end of the battery right there, push it down, lock it in place. Grab the bottom cover, service cover, place it in an offset position and bring it all the way back and then lock it in place. Again guys, if you guys like this video and helped you guys out, please click that like button and think about subscribing. It really greatly helps and motivates me to make more videos and take questions and requests from you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.